is 10:39 a.m. or p.m. Sorry, 10:39 p.m. and we are washing my car for the meet tomorrow for Cars and Coffee. So it's a last minute thing. I didn't want to wake up earlier than I have to. So yeah, that's what we doing. We gonna give her a little wash. She's dirty right now. She's dirty. She got a bunch of smudges, all that dirt, all that. So we clean them things. So I need to fix that bolt. That came out okay. So yeah, I'm gonna wash her up, get her all pretty for tomorrow morning for Cars and Coffee. So yeah, here we go. That's it for washing it. Should be good for tomorrow. Guess we'll see. And hopefully it's a good meet, you know. Hopefully we see a whole bunch of cool cars and just have a good time, you know. So, yeah. Oh, damn. What's up, guys? Shoot. About to take off and head to Cars and Coffee at the Post in Houston. Should be pretty cool. I haven't been to this one yet, so I'm excited. All cleaned up. Only thing is, damn bumper, one of the screws is missing. I don't got time for all that, so it's all good though. It's not gonna fall off. Hopefully. There's my mutt. Yo, Polo! Polo! What are you doing? What are you doing? About to head out, go to Cars and Coffee. Be there for a couple hours. Take some videos, check out the cars. Yeah, I'm tired as hell. But yeah, it should be pretty cool. Yeah. Then after that I gotta get some new tires. So I'm gonna go get some new tires. Cause these over here, they're bald. These things are bald. I've been doing a lot of donuts in these, so yeah. And they're all cut up from when it was too low. The metal was hitting it right here, right here. It's all cut up and stuff from the metal touching it and stuff. Camber, all that. It was pretty low, so I had to raise it up too. So, but yeah, that's it. We about to head out right now, so should be fun. It's clean. It's clean. It's clean. GT3. Shit. Fucking NSX. Yeah. RX-7. Nice Ferrari. Damn.
He's also got a
Damn, that's clean. That's nice. Oh, it's a nice interior. Damn. That's clean.
Have one like that black.
really, you know, walking around here. If I see him.
Jurassic Park truck. Damn, that red is nice. Damn, back to back. Lamb truck too. That was nice.
Ooh, look at that bus.
Body kit. Okay, can you get? I know it's so far. Can you get? Usually these are like button.
this car meet. But I'm about to switch out this knob because I got a new one. This one right here. I thought this was pretty cool. It's from K-Speed. Yeah, K-Speed. It's pretty dope. So I'll swap this one out real quick. Hey, look at that. That shit's clean. I need to figure out how to keep it like that, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, looks pretty dope. I like it. Look at some.